Hello everyone. So this is another update for XRP and what's going on. We are correcting a little bit right now. Some selling is going on. We touched the 50-day moving average but bounced right off of it. So but we can still correct a little bit further here, so we will just have to see. So far this 50-day moving average has been acting as a strong support. This is the first time it's touched it now. So we do have this ascending triangle, and as I was saying, it is a possibility for correction outside here and then going up. Usually with this bull flag or this ascending triangle, the breakout will be to the upside. This is the rule, but sometimes it goes down, it creates a bear trap, and then it goes up. What we still have to see, we will have to see follow through. So just a reminder to everybody that this breakout, it is a possibility that the whole thing here now is a bull trap, a dead cat bounce. You have to consider that, but we did have the golden cross here, which means that the price is going up, and it's flattening a little bit out here. So we will have to see what will happen. But I think that we will go up again and then go up, break out to the upside. When it comes to the Elliott waves, I'm not an expert in Elliott waves. I know the basics of Elliott waves. So we have had this first wave coming up, and we had a correction. What I'm thinking about is that usually we have like an A, B, C correction, but it looks like that this might be several corrections here. That maybe this whole thing here is wave 2, the correction wave here. Because I know there is like this A, B, C, and D, E, and A, B, C. You can have multiple corrections following each other, and it looks like that's what's going on here, because we had this A, B, C, and we have maybe this is A, B, C, A, B, C. So because it doesn't look like this whole thing here doesn't look to me like a new impulse wave, like the third wave going up. It really doesn't. Because if this was the correction here, that this was the end of the correction at this point here. Okay, it's a wave 1, 2, and this is it's very flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this, if this is the correction, this might be like a failed third wave. If this is a failed third wave, it is most likely that can't bounce, and it will crash down to lower prices. Yeah, if we look at the RSI, still going, it's in the middle, but it's on the way down, so it can still go down further to the oversold area. So right now RSI is neutral, but it's heading in the downward direction on the 4-hour chart at least. Yeah, let's see, 4-hour chart. Let's see on the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, it's still going down, but it's approaching the oversold area, and when it's approaching the oversold area, we will have a rebound to the upside. So on the 1-hour chart, it looks actually the RSI looks better to me. So on the 4-hour charts, it's still a way to go. So RSI is a little bit neutral, but it shows that it's correcting. The MACD is on the negative right now on the 4-hour chart. Let's see on the 1-hour chart. Yeah, also on the 1-hour chart. So yeah, so it ticked a little bit up, and now we had another down tick. So MACD is not very positive, and the RSI is actually it's on the lower side here on the 1-hour chart, but on the 4-hour chart, yeah, it's not. It's going down, and it's going down. So we will just have to see what will happen here. So the possibility, if we take into account this ascending triangle, is this. This is the scenario, the bullish scenario. Yeah, but the bearish scenario is that this fails, and that this is the correction, and that this is maybe not a correction, but if this is attempt of the third wave, it's not really going so well. But it seems to me that it actually might be correcting. So ABC here, ABC, and ABC, yeah. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we might correct down to here, and then it will go up again. It's you know, in this these triangles, it's usually the correction phase also. So I'm still quite positive that it will actually break to the upside still, but take your risk management, have discretion where if you want to place any trades or not at this point. So good luck, bye bye.